Every company right now is looking for an AI automations person. Workers who don't understand automation are the ones being laid off and left behind. The best way to avoid the layoffs and to benefit from this new wave of AI integration is to learn the AI automation skills needed to make you the most valuable person in the entire department. My name is Richard Brown. I spent 17 years working at IBM. I spent 3 years working at Pfizer. I have over 20 years of Fortune 500 experience in information technology, security, AI, and automations. Here's the harsh truth. The AI automations wave is well underway. Companies are projected to invest billions of dollars into AI automations this upcoming year. They are desperately looking for skilled workers to help them implement their AI initiatives, and fortunately for you, the demand for workers with this skill far outweigh the number of people available to implement these automated solutions. So what does that mean for you? It means that if you're a person that is willing to educate yourself to stay relevant, if you are willing to learn and adopt this skill set, then you are going to be in very high demand because companies are competing for skilled labor with automations expertise, and they are offering them better opportunities for career advancement as well as much higher wages. Check out this article from McKinsey Global Institute. It states, demand for AI fluency is growing faster than any other skill. As AI technology matures, demand for related skills is spreading beyond development roles. Demand for AI fluency jumped nearly sevenfold in 2 years through mid-2025. In other words, there are not enough skilled workers to fill the current AI demand. If you learn these skills, you will get paid for your efforts. Okay? Check out this article from PricewaterhouseCoopers. Right? Wages are rising 2 times faster in the most AI-exposed industries. AI is making workers more valuable, with wages rising twice as quickly in those industries most exposed to AI compared to those least exposed. Indeed, we found that wages are rising for AI-powered workers even in the most highly automatable roles, suggesting that concerns that AI is devaluing automatable roles may be misplaced. This article also states, workers with AI skills command a 56% wage premium, up from 25% last year. The value that AI-powered workers bring is apparent in the wage premium for workers with AI skills like prompt engineering. We compared the wages of workers in a given occupation who differ only on whether they have AI skills. We found that on average, the wages of workers with AI skills were significantly higher. What's more, every industry we analyzed pays wage premiums for AI skills. Workers who don't understand automation are the ones being laid off and left behind, not because they're bad employees, but because unfortunately they're doing work that AI can now do. And business owners feel that AI can do it faster, cheaper, with fewer mistakes, and with less complaints. The reality is this: if you don't adopt AI skills now, the workforce of the future will pass you by. Here's a research paper published by the World Economic Forum. It's titled, Why AI is Replacing Some Jobs Faster Than Others. The answer is quite simple. Some jobs are just easier to automate than others. The jobs getting hit the hardest, software development is getting hammered, customer support, finance. These jobs are easier to automate than it would be in other sectors. And as a result, they're getting hit hardest. But again, if you're in these sectors and you have the AI automation skills, it's not a bust for you, it's a boon for you, right? You become more valued. You get a wage increase. You get promotions. You get recognized because you are what's in demand right now. You're the reason why the boom is occurring. So then the question becomes, how do you adapt? Rather than focusing solely on traditional career paths, look for roles that bridge domains, right? Positions that combine human judgment with AI capabilities, or that translate between technical systems and business needs. Also, consider the last mile opportunities in your current industry. While tech hubs generate headlines, every sector needs people who can bridge the gap between AI capabilities and local implementation. Healthcare systems need someone who understands both patient care and data analytics. Manufacturing plants need operators who can work alongside automated systems. Often, your existing industry knowledge combined with basic AI literacy creates more opportunities than starting from scratch in a completely new field. I'm here to help you avoid the downside of AI integrations, things like reduced workloads at the job, layoffs from the job, and sadly, a lot of these layoffs are happening industry-wide. So some people are being laid off from jobs and can't find another one because their job is being automated everywhere. It sounds scary, I know, but I want to introduce you to the upside of AI integration, the increased pay for holding a skill set that saves your company money, the fast-paced promotions and career advancements. I'm here to show you how one simple mindset shift can make you the most valuable person in your entire department. So the big question is this: how do you become the automations person at your job, even if you're not technical, not a coder, and not the computer person on your team? It comes down to one simple beginner-proof path I teach inside of my community. I call it the EIPI path, and it's designed for normal employees, regular people. You don't have to be a computer science major. You don't have to be an engineer. The name of the community is called AI Monopoly, and my goal is to make teaching you AI automations as simple as learning Microsoft Word. Now let's start with the E in the EIPI path. The E stands for education. Everything starts with learning the basics. There's no coding, no technical wordplay, just understanding what automation is and the simplest form of how to implement it. The tool that we teach you to use is called N8N. It's literally drag and drop. If you can move a block on the screen, then you can create and build an AI automation in N8N. I stands for identify. You want to identify the tasks that are slowing you down at your job. Your job is full of tiny, repetitive tasks that you don't even realize you're doing anymore. These tasks are your automation goldmine. Things like copying information into a spreadsheet, checking emails multiple times a day, sending out follow-ups and updates to clients, preparing the same weekly report, saving and renaming files, reminding your team or clients about deadlines, tracking status changes. These tasks drain you. They drain your team, and they're exactly the kinds of things AI automates instantly. Next, we go with the P. The P stands for practice. This is where most people mess up. They try to automate at work before they understand how the tools behave. Don't do that. Practice at home first. Get good at what you do. At home, there's no pressure. There's no deadlines. No boss is watching, because you don't become valuable by reading about automations. You don't become valuable by just watching YouTube videos about AI automations. You become valuable by doing them. You become valuable by taking action and become good at making the workflows. Lastly, we have the I. The I stands for implement at work. Now, here's the part that changes everything. Once you feel confident, you bring one workflow to work. Not 10, not a complete overhaul, just one tiny win that makes someone's life easier. For example, automate a daily summary. That's it. Send your manager's morning update. Extract information from a PDF. Generate a weekly report automatically. One small automation can save your team 30 minutes a day. And when you do that, you stop just being another employee. You become the person who removes problems. Companies don't fire the people who make everyone else's job easier. They promote them. Companies don't fire the people who make them more money. They promote them. If you want to become the go-to automation person at your job or in your business, even if you're not technical, please take action today. Follow the link in the description and join the AI Monopoly School community. You'll get beginner-friendly N8N tutorials that outline the exact skills companies are looking for right now. No coding necessary, no complexity, just simple, practical automations that make you valuable immediately. Follow the QR code on your screen or click the link pinned in the description below. Don't wait until it's too late. Join the AI Monopoly community today.